We are known on the island as the poor people's choice. And here, we're pouring a road in Peterborg with our most popular mix, 3000 PSI. This time, the road is being poured with a regular mix. It's a gorgeous day in St. Thomas in beautiful Peterborg. Let's take a look how this road is being constructed. As you can see, this road is going to lead to a beautiful site on the island of St. Thomas. Peterborg is the area. Ortalis concrete construction led by TKO Constructions. Ortalis, the poor people's choice.
If this information is valuable to you and your company, click the like button and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified for new videos once uploaded.
Now, before we go on this site, we have to be careful. We got to be on our best behavior. We are dealing with a Virgin Islands boxing team. That's right, a boxing team in the beautiful Virgin Islands. The name of this construction company, believe it or not, is called TKO Construction. They are the ones in charge of this concrete pour today that we're doing on this road in Peterborg with 3000 PSI regular mix. Let's behave ourselves and let's take a look.
Yes, hi, hello, how are you? Listen, man, we are always customer using Ortalis. Never had a problem. Concrete hours on the money, hours on time. Been using them for years now, so beautiful. Keep it up, Ortalis.
This is something you may not know. This concrete is designed in-house by Ortalis Concrete, A-rated certified concrete technicians, professional engineers and chemists. Let's take a look at how beautiful this self-consolidating concrete looks. Look at that.